There's a country where spring doesn't just arrive, it explodes in waves of color that stretch beyond the horizon. Welcome to the Netherlands, the undisputed flower capital of the world. From the legendary Keukenhof Gardens, where 7 million bulbs create living masterpieces, to the endless tulip fields of Lisse that paint the countryside in perfect geometric patterns. Here, centuries-old flower markets overflow with vibrant blooms, while traditional windmills stand guard over seas of red, yellow, and pink. This is where nature becomes art, where entire landscapes transform into the world's most spectacular canvas. In the Netherlands, every season writes a love letter in petals, and every view is a postcard waiting to be discovered.